Do EMF protection stickers work? Protect yourself from radiation with stickers. Both at home and at work, we deal with constant exposure to electromagnetic radiation, EMF. As we come to learn more about EMF, innovative companies like EMF Harmony are working on ways to mitigate its health risks. This field of study has led to the rise of several new products dedicated to EMF safety. One of the most popular new EMF safety products on the market are EMF protection stickers. To this end, EMF safety stickers are traditionally placed on cell phones to help curb the harmful effects of EMF radiation. However, the stickers are also used on other modern devices that utilize EMF, such as Wi-Fi routers, laptops, iPads, wireless speakers, and baby monitors. Free to contact us with any questions. Link in description. If you are concerned about the excessive EMF radiation in the environment today, you can use stickers to help protect yourself. However, not all EMF safety stickers are of equal quality and effectiveness. To this end, EMF Harmony put together this brief survey of EMF stickers to give you better tools for protection. How do EMF stickers function? As we come to learn more about the dangers of EMF on the human body, companies have developed an array of EMF sticker products. These stickers fall into two distinct categories, those that block EMF radiation and those that harmonize EMF radiation to lessen its impact. It does not take much research to uncover the fact that EMF stickers designed to block EMF radiation simply don't work. To this end, certain materials like brass and copper are known to block EMF radiation. Yet, to work effectively, these materials must be used liberally over a large area. Even if EMF stickers do utilize a material known to block EMF radiation, they don't cover enough space on a device to be effective. And if they did, the devices simply wouldn't work. Free to contact us with any questions. Link in description. At EMF Harmony, we have developed our own proprietary technology for neutralizing harmful EMF radiation. Our EMF Harmonizer is an EMF anti-radiation sticker that protects you from the negative health effects of Wi-Fi and cell phone radiation. However, please note that it is not a radiation blocker sticker. What products can you use EMF stickers for? You can use EMF safety stickers for any devices that emanate harmful EMF radiation. Here is a brief list of items that you can EMF stickers for. Energy smart meters, microwave ovens, computers/laptops, Wi-Fi routers, cell phones, iPads/tablets, Bluetooth devices. Free to contact us with any questions. Link in description. To help protect you from this diverse array of EMF emitting technologies, EMF Harmony developed two levels of EMF stickers. The Harmonizer works with wireless devices that communicate over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Our Harmonizer is designed to work with cell phones and Wi-Fi routers. Since cell phones and Wi-Fi routers emit significantly higher levels of EMF radiation, we designed the Harmonizer to be a more powerful sticker. Are there products equivalent to EMF stickers you can use instead? There are many EMF safety products available on the market today. Not all these products work exactly like EMP protection stickers, but they may help protect you from EMF. The important thing is to do your homework, as the only way to know that EMF protection sticker is working is to measure the results of its use on the health of test subjects. Look for such research before purchasing a product, for there are many inexpensive EMF stickers that probably do little to nothing to protect your health. At EMF Harmony, we have a variety of EMF safety products that can be utilized in your home, car, and office. In like fashion, we have an assortment of wearable EMF safety products that you can utilize to protect your body from cell phones. These include bracelets, watch bands, and jewelry. Whatever your EMF defense needs, we always recommend doing some research before purchasing products. In doing so, you can ensure that you get the EMF safety products that will actually protect the health of yourself and your family. Check out EMF Harmony today. At EMF Harmony, we have worked tirelessly to create top-of-the-line products for EMF safety. We would love to address your concerns about EMF radiation and help you find products to suit your safety needs. Please review our website. Feel free to contact us with any questions. Link in description.